Welcome to the virtual walkthrough of the online interactive uterine fibroids option grids. These interactive option grids are hosted on a website called My Health Decisions. There are two ways to access these tools online. One link will direct you to a menu page, as you see here. On this page, you will navigate to uterus, ovaries, and menopause to find the two uterine fibroids option grids. One for medicine options and one for procedure options. The other way to access these tools is through two different links, one that directs you to the medicine options and one that directs you to the procedure options. Let's try the medicine options first. When you click either link, a pop-up will show on your screen with a disclaimer about making sure the tool is used by the right person. Click I understand. On the screen, you will see all of the available medicine options. There are several features to explore here. First, you can see all of the possible options. You might want to show them all, or you might want to narrow the choices. Let's say you and your patient only want to discuss a few. For example, watch and wait and a couple of the pill options. You can see that I am clicking X for options I do not want to view. It leaves only the options we want to discuss. If you'd like to bring back the options you took out, click on Show or Hide, show what's hidden right here, and you can add in these options and they come right back in. The treatment options are listed at the top row with patients frequently asked questions on the farthest left column. Definitions for some of these terms mentioned in the grid are listed below, right here. When going over this with patients, explain this layout to them and go over the FAQ answers to each of the treatment options you selected to discuss. Another feature is to toggle between a grid view and a list view. In a list view, answers to each question are listed below each other. You can also click here where it says PDF with illustrations to see an option grid that has visuals. It has the same information but includes illustrations, icons, and bar graphs. If you want, you can print this out by clicking Print at the top right corner. If you want to go back to the text-based option grid, sorry, it's preparing the tool. You can see here. If you want to go back to the text-based option grid, just click Back to Tool at this top left corner. There are three buttons at the top right corner. This first button creates QR codes. You can share this code with your patient or have them scan it with their phone or tablet to access the option grid you created together. The second button generates a link that you can share with your patient before, during, or after the appointment. You can click Copy, and that will copy it immediately, and you can paste it wherever helpful, in the patient portal, email, or text. The third button creates a PDF of the option grid you created in list format. You can also print this out by clicking Print right here. And if you want to go back to the tool, you just click Back to Tool at the top left corner. Now, let's go over the procedure options for symptomatic uterine fibroids. If you're on the medicine options page, as we are here, you can go to the top and click See Uterine Fibroid Procedure Options. You may also have a separate link that takes you directly to the procedure options page. Again, we see the disclaimer, so we'll click I understand. And as you can see, this looks very similar to the medicine options. Everything remains the same regarding the available features. So clicking to include and exclude options, again, you can add those back. Treatment options, again, are listed in the top column, and patients frequently asked questions on the row to the farthest left. Again, the definitions used in this tool are down here at the bottom. And the ability to toggle grid view and list view. And you can go to the picture option grid here. and then generate a QR code, generate a link for the patient, and then PDF download. Always click the top left corner that says Back to Tool if you want to go back to your original page. So we recommend using these features of the QR code, the link for the patient, or PDF download to print as a way to give this tool to your patients ahead of, during, or after the appointment. Thanks so much.